Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix something went wrong Disney Hotstar. For example, if you open Disney Hotstar and you see this kind of error, something went wrong, please try again, then I will tell you how you can fix that error. First of all, what you have to do is you have to check whether you are using Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then what you have to do is you have to simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, which means you have to restart your Wi-Fi connections. And if you are using mobile data connection, you also make sure that you are using a proper data 4G connection. After doing this, what you have to do, you have to turn on the airplane mode and you have to hold it for some seconds and you have to turn it off so that your internet connection can be restarted. After doing all the things, what you have to do next, you have to close that. After that, you have to click on the settings of your device. After that, you have to look for apps or application manager here. You have to open apps. In apps or application manager, what you have to do, you have to simply search for Disney Hotstar. So you have to look for that, and here you have to check whether you have allowed background data usage to your Disney Hotstar, and you have to make sure that you have a storage option and you have to click on that. After that, you have to simply click on clear cache. After clearing the cache, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. After doing all the steps, if the problem is still there, you can simply go for the clear data and you have to again open your app and do all the settings when you have installed that app. In this way, your app will be restarted. Hope this will fix your error. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.